Hey guys, it is day 3 and I am here to show you a little bit about what we're going to be doing on day 3. Remember, Miss Gregory is not here, so please join me on your Canvas class, and I'm going to go to January 11th through the 15th. And I'm going to click on day 3. Remember, if you miss anything from day 1 or day 2, there's a recording for both days. This recording is going to be right here. Remember, on Monday we learned about adding and subtracting equations. Today we're going to learn about multiplying and dividing equations. And remember, it's important to think about the inverse operation or the opposite operation. Remember, the inverse of add is subtract, and the inverse of subtract is add. So today we're going to talk about multiply and divide. So remember, I'm not here today, so this is your lesson. Let's get started. First, you need to watch this short video. This is a really great video talking about how to solve multiplication and division equations. So please take a second and pause my video and excuse me, and watch the video. If you don't pause my video and watch this, you might be a little lost on the next part. All right, you should have watched this video up here. The next thing we're going to do is click on our assignment. Don't forget to click the blue words. All right, let's solve some multiplication and division equations. On slide 2, we're going to drag and drop to see if we can solve some multiplication and division equations. Right here it says 6 times x. Remember, two numbers sitting side by side means to multiply. So I have 6 times x. How do we undo multiplication? With its inverse or its opposite, which is divide. So I'm going to do 48 divided by 6 and see if I can figure out what x equals. What is 48 divided by 6? Think about it. It's 8. So I'm going to put 8 here. Remember, I can check. Is 6 times 8 48? Yes. All right, I'm going to do the same thing on the next one. 18 times what makes 18? Or 18 divided by 18 is what? It's 1. Now I'm going to give you some time to do the next few slides. Come back to my video as soon as you're done doing the next few slides. All right, I'm ready to start slide 7. Slide 7 is just like we did on Monday and Tuesday. I'm going to do the inverse or opposite operation. What's the opposite of multiply? It's divide. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. So I'm going to type a 3 here, and we are going to check. Is 21 divided by 7 actually 3? Yes, it is. So I'm going to type yes. I checked my work, and it works. So your job today is to fill in your slides and submit when you are finished filling in all of your slides. Don't forget to go back and submit. And remember, when you're on your home screen, you can check your to-do list over on the right-hand side. to make sure that you've turned everything in. So you can check over here on your to-do list and just see, do you have anything left to turn in? You can also go to your grades. My grades looks a lot different than your grades, but you can make sure that you don't have any tick marks or any zeros that you need to fix. Okay? So remember, you can make sure that you don't have any zeros or any tick marks. It should look something like this. When I click on grades, if it has a tick mark, there's no score. Miss Gregory doesn't have it yet. If it says 10 out of 10, it's already graded and in there. If it has a little box, that means it's waiting to be graded. You've submitted it and Miss Gregory needs to grade it, okay? So make sure you have everything turned in for week 1 and week 2, and you're ready to go. Everything turned in for week 1 and week 2, and you're ready to go. Please make sure that you're ready to take our test on Friday and that you do a great job, because remember, everybody who completes their test on Friday in AL will get a homework pass. So I'll see you guys next week.